When we first started talking about symbols, we talked about how each symbol has its own internal timeline. Locate the library panel and double-click on the symbol labeled ball. It should be the only symbol in there. Now when you open up that symbol and you look at your timeline, it looks like you lost all of your animation. That's not true. This is a completely separate timeline that only applies to the ball symbol. This separate timeline is nested inside the ball symbol. Double-click on the ball so that we can change its color. In the toolbar, there are two colored boxes, one with a pencil next to it and the other with a paint bucket. These are the stroke color and the fill color. Right now, those colors will most likely match the colors we have in our circle. Click on the fill color box and select any color that you'd like your bouncing ball to be. The fill is the inside of the shape. Now do the same thing with the stroke color. Click on the stroke color box and choose any color you like. Click on the Properties panel and locate the Fill and Stroke section. You'll notice you can make all sorts of changes here. We can change our fill color to another color. We can change our stroke color. We can use this slider to change the size or the width of the stroke. We can type in a specific number to adjust the size of the stroke. And we even have some styles we can choose from. Take a moment to play around with these settings and get your bouncing ball looking exactly how you want it to. Pause the video for a moment and then come back when you're ready to move on. Now just above the stage, you'll see text next to a movie clapboard labeled Scene 1. Next to that will be the title of your ball symbol. This is because we're currently within the symbol for editing. Click on Scene 1 to go back to the main stage. Press Enter on your keyboard and you'll see our newly colored ball bounce just as it did before. This keyboard shortcut is another way to play your animation quickly within the program without having to do any sort of exporting.